In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and add stickers on your videos while editing on Filmora video editor. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I have here this video and I'd like to go ahead and add a combination of stickers with this video. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to where you want to add the sticker. You can maybe add it next, or you can add it on top of your timeline. So make sure that you have selected or you have added your first video on the first video timeline, as I have just done it here. So the rest of the sticker, we shall add them on the second video timeline. And to do so, just head over to this option called stickers, and this will go ahead and open quite a number of stickers that are available on Filmora. So you can go ahead and search the particular sticker you want. For instance, if you want a love sticker, you can just search and you'll see here various love stickers that are available. You can further filter them, and now here you can go ahead and select any. For instance, if we select this, it will be downloaded, and look at that, we can now go ahead and add it on our second timeline to apply it where we want it to be. And look at that, our sticker has been added successfully. You can further go ahead and customize this the way you want by right clicking on it. You can also apply various settings here, such as you can even change the color of this and it will immediately be applied. You can further go ahead and look for similar stickers. If you go ahead and click on this down arrow, you can see we have this option for find similar. So if I click on it, you can see here are similar filters that we can add on our videos. So that's how you can add stickers on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.